Friday night, and I'm doing a recipe. And this is a recipe I'm doing for Janet Ubeji's channel. I have fish, I have sweet potato, I have all my peppers.
What's this?
Tomatoes.
Yes, I knew it.
So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and thank you for all your lovely comments. I'm sorry if you send me comments. Oh, that get down. I'm doing video for discover me. If you send me comments and I've not replied, I'm so sorry. You guys forgive me, please. But I will try to reply. And you guys, please keep sending me comments, because it's your comment that is making me, you know what I mean, guys. Yeah.
Send.
By the way, I bought is it showing?
No.
I bought granite epa from an African Caribbean store. It's fresh, so I boil it and I'm having it. It's really good. So I'm going to tell guys how I do my. Sorry, I'm eating. I'm talking. You guys don't understand. You know, when you're eating things like this, you can never stop it. You can't. You don't have control over it.
That's why you can't.
I don't like eating things like this and popcorn.
Tomato.
I can't stop eating it till it stopped. But I have to stop it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my recipe. Most of you know already. I show a little bit of little tweaks how I put my video together to Janet Ubeji's channel. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. Okay, guys. So I've showed everything. So I'm gonna start the video now. So I'll be using vegetable for this recipe. I'll also be using palm oil for it. So I just want to set my camera. Can you see this is what I use? Oh my days. Okay, so I'm trying to reposition my camera or my phone, you know. Okay, I think I ate too much or I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna start now. Show the viewers what is happening. Oh, is that? I was wondering why these people. Okay. So guys, I'm going to start by frying the fish. So I'm going to be using palm oil. Can you guys see? I'm going to be using palm oil because I want it to taste like, you know, back home when they fry fish with palm oil. It brings back childhood memory. So I'll be using that much of palm oil, and I'll be adding vegetable oil as well. Can you guys see? You can use only vegetable oil, or you can use just palm oil, or you can mix as I'm mixing now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to get hot, then I'll start frying the fish. Okay, are you seeing me? We're doing well, guys. We're doing well. So I'm just allowing that to get hot, and then we'll start frying fish, frying fish. My oil is hot. I need to start frying the fish now, but I need to make sure I finish what is in my mouth, so that when I'm talking, you know, Janet Ubeji's viewers will be able to hear me properly. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they'll hear me now when I'm talking. Okay, guys, so my oil is hot. I'm going to start frying the fish. Don't tell Genius to this is what I'm up to. So guys, I went to bring out my food processor. I don't really like using it, guys, to be honest with you guys, because to wash, I don't like washing it. It's a lot of work for me. I prefer to use my blender, but because of the recipe I'm doing, I need a food processor. That's why I went to bring it. So I'll be blending my peppers because I don't want it too smooth, and I don't have to add water, because I know if I use blender to blend the peppers, I'll need to add water before the blender will be able to blend it. So this one, I don't have to add water into it, so it's just what I need. Okay guys, so I'm just bringing that out. Oh yeah, here, oh, this place is messy. Oh my days, I need to tidy it up. I bought more corn, more nuts. Okay, oh, this one is finished. I don't know why it's still there. Okay. Oops. Sure. Okay, so now while the fish is frying, I'm going to start the pepper. Okay, I'm going to take this out. So I'm going to put the camera here. This is what I do, guys. If you want to become a YouTuber, you don't know what to do. You don't have to have the perfect kitchen, a big kitchen, before you be able to, you know, do something wonder in your kitchen. I need to chop the tomatoes, peppers, and all this together. Okay. You guys can see. Cutting the onions, and I'm going to cut the tomato into half. Be careful when you're doing this. So I'm going to rinse it, and then we're going to blend it. No easy to be YouTuber, no easy. I be easy. So guys, I'm gonna turn it. Meanwhile, I finished blending the peppers. Turn my fish now to the other side. So we are going to start filming, right? It's called filming. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn the fish over. Whoa, look at that, guys. Please, if you are using this kind of pot, the fish, you guys, look, it didn't turn out well because of my pot, and this pot is non-stick. Is it on non-stick? Non-stick, Abby. Okay, non-stick pan, but because I bought it, was it a few months back, and we've been using iron sponge to wash it, so my fish is a bit like this. So I don't know whether I'm still going to use this one, or thank God I still have one fish left. Can they see? I still have one fish left, and I have this pot. I bought this pot around December. I bought it for £30. So I don't know whether it will help, because when I bought this pot, I saw the video. They say it's good for stir fries. You don't have to use oil. But now I'll be adding oil. I don't know what is going to be happening, guys. Just to let you guys know, this is what I go through when I'm doing recipes. When those of you that you visit Janet Ubeji's channel and you leave me thumbs down, shame when they see what I go through. You know, you guys, you know me. I will say, because I don't know anymore. But everything will be alright. Okay, guys, you guys don't take it personally. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah, you guys are my personal person. Let me try the fish though. Oh my goodness. Crunchy. It's so crunchy. It's good. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to taste it now and see. It's nice and sweet, but you need salt. So instead of salt, I'll be adding aromand. Not a lot, we don't want it too salty because aromas contain a lot of salt. I'm just going to mix that. I'll be only be showing you guys one of the fish. So I'm going to lay out the fish. The fish is dancing. Can you guys see that? That is beautiful, isn't it? I'm just showing you guys. You guys, you know I like showing you everything. So I'm going to, and today is Friday, but I don't think I'll be publishing the video today. So you know, the country I live in, every Friday is about fish and chips. So you can also make this every Friday for you and your family. I'm sure they will enjoy it. And as I said earlier, you don't have to use sweet potato. You can use Irish potatoes, or you can use yam or plantain. Okay, so that is beautiful. Can you guys see that? I'm just showing you guys. I'm going to do this to use for the thumbnail, so you can attract you guys to click on the videos, you know. Okay guys, look at that. So where's the sauce? Let's get the sauce. So guys, I finally finished the recipe for Janet Obezi's channel. Let me show you guys how it turned out. Whoa, I just finished doing the thumbnail. It wasn't easy. This is one of the toughest. This one and my party jollof rice, my first party jollof rice. Oh my days, I didn't find it funny, but by the end of the day I was rewarded by it anyway. So I hope I'm rewarded by this as well, because I didn't find it funny. There are even something that happened behind the camera that I didn't show you guys. Trust me guys, it was just too much for me. But I thank God, because I know my viewers will appreciate this recipe, and I know that when they try it, they will enjoy it too, you know. So I'm gonna end the video here. You guys can see I'm tired, I'm exhausted, right? I don't even know whether I'll be doing live video today on Janet Obezi's channel. So I need to go now guys. I just need to go. Bye. Bye.